Good day, children. Today we are going to see about communicable diseases. In the last video, we learnt about non-communicable diseases, isn't it? Non-communicable disease do not spread from one person to another. But communicable diseases, as the name suggests, they can spread from one person to another. They are caused by germs. And because they spread from one person to another, they are called as infectious diseases. So the germs that cause some communicable diseases are virus, bacteria, protozoa, and fungi. Have you learnt about these germs? Yes, last year in fourth standard we learnt, isn't it? We learnt about the different types of diseases caused by these germs. Yes, very good. So let's see how communicable diseases are spread. Communicable diseases spread through direct contact. When an infected person coughs or sneezes without covering his mouth, the germs spread in the air and it will easily infect another person. If we share the infected person's belongings also, we are coming in direct contact with the germs. Right. So some diseases which spread through direct contact are common cold, measles, tuberculosis, etc. Communicable diseases also spread through dirty food and water. As you see in the picture, if you leave the food uncovered, it is exposed to dirt as well as insects like this. We always don't, if we are sitting near it, it's not a problem. But if you leave the food uncovered and if you're moving about here and there, it will be easily exposed to insects and mosquitoes. Some diseases that spread through dirty food and water are typhoid, cholera, etc. Diseases spread through insects and animals also. Mosquito carrying a particular germ, if it bites a healthy person, he may be infected by that particular germ. And if an animal bites us or if we touch infected animals also, we will be affected by that particular disease. So some disease that spread through insects and animals are malaria, dengue, chikungunya, yellow fever, etc. So how do these germs enter the body? They enter through our mouth, eyes, nose, any cuts in our skin, and through our genitals. Genitals are nothing but our private parts. How to prevent these communicable disease? We can prevent communicable diseases by eating clean and healthy food. We should wash our hands properly, bathe daily, wear clean clothes. In short, we should take care of our personal hygiene. We should drink clean water. We should keep our surroundings clean. We should use covered dustbins. And when we sneeze or cough, we should cover our mouth. So when you see a person sneezing or coughing without covering his or her mouth, you should instruct them to do so. And doing exercise regularly, taking proper rest will improve our immune system. Immune system is nothing but fighting against the disease causing germs. And most importantly, staying away from the infected person. You may ask, then won't doctors be infected by the diseases? Or if we visit a sick patient also, we will be infected? No, it's not like that. If you visit a sick person or if a person in need, you can help him. But immediately you should clean your hands. And doctors in day-to-day life itself, when they treat patients, when they are going to touch a disease of infected patient, they will wear gloves or wear masks. And when one patient goes out and before another patient enters, they will clean their hands with sanitizers. And when there is a pandemic, they wear proper protective dresses and proper protective mask. Only then they treat patients. So doctors being affected by these diseases is very less if they wear the proper if they follow the proper protective measures. And most importantly, communicable diseases can be prevented by vaccination. Vaccination is nothing but usage of special substances called vaccines to prevent specific diseases. They build immunity power in our body. They make our body strong to fight against the diseases. Mostly vaccines are given when children are young. They are either given by injections or given orally through the mouth. And when we are given a vaccine, it is not that we won't get that particular disease. We may get the disease, but it will not affect our body very vigorously. Our body will have some immunity power to fight against that disease causing germ, even if we are affected by the disease. And there are different vaccines for different diseases. So summing up everything, in order to prevent diseases, we should remember always we should take healthy, balanced diet, exercise regularly, take adequate rest, and maintain personal cleanliness. Thank you.